Okay, so I'm standing in front of some of the latest rocks that I've made, which is sensational for aquariums, especially tall aquariums and some of the normal 24-inch high aquariums. I just came back from Tennessee doing a big rock cave like this over a swimming pool in a cabin, and as I'm driving up this estate, on the side of the road is all this slate. So I asked the owners whether I could take some of that, and I brought it back here. I then turned it into these beautiful rock formations, and what's fantastic about this is they're really thin. So when you're placing big rocks in aquariums, you don't want it to disperse too much of the water, otherwise your fish don't have much to swim in. So this gives us the height, but it also gives us the thin dimension there to not take up too much space. So we've got this single one here, we've got this other one that's double, okay, still one piece. Then we made this other one, which is, I think, my favorite. It's not going to take up too much of the tank, but at the same time, it takes up a lot of the tank, if you know what I mean. So this is a real nice piece. And then we've got this real tall one. And what's pretty special about something this tall, people that have big tanks, what you've got to be careful of is if you start putting big pieces of stone in a tank like this, and then it falls over, hits the side of your tank, kaboom, explodes sometimes. Not too often, but it can happen. So this gives us the ability to have a tall fish tank filled with big rocks. Also, if your water or your tank is only down here and you have this coming out of the water, oh my gosh, that looks awesome. So this is pretty new to me, to have big rocks like this that don't take up too much space, and I love them. And this big black rich color that we've got here is also what the rock looked like where I got it from, and I think it looks stunning in an aquarium.